What if you could build one simple AI system this weekend and then sell that exact same system to the dentist down the street, the roofer, the med spa, the chiropractor, and charge every single one of them $299 a month? Build it once, sell it over and over and over. That's exactly what I'm showing you in this video. And here's the secret that makes this work. Local business owners don't want complicated AI technology. They can't even keep up with it. What they want is dead simple. They want their missed calls answered, they want their leads followed up with, and they want appointments booked on their calendar automatically. That's it. And with today's AI tools, you can hand them all three, even if you're a total beginner. No coding, no tech skills, no audience. Now, quick honesty moment, because I always keep it real with you. This is a real business. Your results depend on your effort. Nobody can promise you anything, but what I can do is show you the exact system, how to build it, and how to package it so you can charge $299 or more per month. Do the math with me. 10 local clients at $299 a month is almost $3,000 every single month. And here's the part I love. The software that runs all of this costs you one flat fee, whether you have one client or 100. So every new client is almost pure profit. This is the same model I've helped over 1,400 people get started with. And in a minute, I'm gonna jump on my computer and build one of these AI systems in front of you, step by step, so you can see exactly how simple this is. But real quick, before we build this, I wanna hook you up. I'm not selling you some expensive course here. If you want my full step-by-step course, all my templates, my scripts, plus an extended 30-day free trial to the exact software I'm about to show you, and even a free kickoff call to get you set up, just comment the word Whitelabel below, and I'll send you everything 100% free. Let me jump on my computer and let's build this thing. All right, so I'm in my computer now, and I'm using this AI automation software to run my entire business. Now, what we're gonna do here is we're gonna click on this button called AI Agents. Now, inside of here, we can do a lot of really cool things. Now, one of the things that we're gonna be doing today is creating a voice AI agent. Now, this is going to be insane, especially for local businesses. They're going to absolutely love this. So we're going to do that here today, but you can also do things like conversation AI, where essentially you can have automated messages on social media, Facebook, Instagram, but we're going to do that another time. But if you want to go ahead and mess around with this software, I have a link down below. That way you get an extended 30-day trial. Try this software out for yourself. All right, so what we're gonna do though is we're gonna click on Voice AI and we're gonna build a Voice AI agent. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna click on Create Agent. Now, if you go to the marketplace, you can go ahead and find some pre-built AI agents, but I want to show you how simple this is, even if you have no tech experience. We're going to click on this button here called Create Custom Agent and hit Continue. All right, so this is the next screen that you see. So this is what we're going to do. I'm going to actually build an AI voice agent for a plumbing company. As you can see, this is the role and objective, but it doesn't tell you for what type of company. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm just gonna use ChatGPT to build a role and objective for this voice AI, but for a plumbing company, okay? So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna copy this here. I'm gonna go to ChatGPT and say this. I'm building a voice AI agent inside of the GoHighLevel software, and I need objective goal for my voice AI agent. Here's an example of what it should look like. All right, so I'm gonna build that here, and then I'm gonna just copy that example, and then ChatGPT will give me something right away. So here we go. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and copy this. I'm gonna go back to the software. I'm gonna delete this, and now it's more specific to this company here, okay? So I'm gonna go down here and it's gonna say the welcome message. So the first thing that the AI voice agent says. So it says, hey, you have reached Jonathan Montoya, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change this to the plumbing company's name. So I'm gonna put Luis's Plumbing Company, okay? How can I help you today? And we're gonna hit save. Now, we can add a knowledge base where you give it specific information about that company. So essentially, if you want to add like a website or the address or specific things that are particular to that company, you're going to go ahead and do that in the knowledge base. Okay. But we're going to do that here in a little bit. Let's just test this out real quick and let's just see if this works. All right, so I'm gonna have the voice AI call me, and it's gonna call me on my phone.
Hey, you have reached Louise's Plumbing Company. How can I help you today?
Hi, my name is James. I'm curious about your services.
Thanks for reaching out, James. I can help collect your information so our team can follow up with all the details about our services. Could I get your phone number, please? Could I also get your email address so the team can send you more information?
test@gmail.com.
Perfect, James. Thank you for calling. I'll make sure our team gets this information and follows up with you as soon as possible. Have a great day.
So as you can see, the voice agent is actually taking calls, collecting the information, and then from there, a real human can follow up, or you could even train the voice AI agent to answer questions, give pricing, give specific answers, and that's all done right here inside of the general rules and also the knowledge base. All right, so what we've seen so far is pretty cool, but let me show you something even better. Now, as we're going through this, I hope you're thinking like, oh my gosh, Jonathan, I can totally sell this to local businesses. They would absolutely love this. I personally talk to so many local businesses and they barely have a website. Imagine having this, right? There's so many businesses that will pay for this. Let me show you one other thing, okay? Because this is gonna be really cool. So you can actually demo this to them. Let's just say they already have a website, but you just want to show them how this works. That way you can start making money as fast as possible. Now, if we go back to the main navigation, we're going to go to where it says sites. And what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to create a chat widget, but more importantly with the voice agent. Okay, so I'm going to click on this chat widget here and check this out. We're going to build this out and we're going to add this to an existing website. Okay, super simple. We're going to hit new here. Now check this out. There's a ton of different chat agents we can create, or chat widgets. Now, more specifically right now, we're going to focus on the voice AI because that's what we've built. But you can build Instagram chats, WhatsApp, Facebook, all kinds of different things here, okay? But we're gonna do a voice AI since we already created it on the previous screen here. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna add this to an existing website. Now, let me move my head over here. That way you can see everything. As you can see on the bottom right here, this is the voice agent, right? And now they can talk to people directly using this chat widget. Now, the cool thing about this is you can go ahead and change this up, change how this looks. You could change the messaging. You could change the agent. Right here, we're going to change it to the demo plumbing agent. That's the one we created. But over here on the style here, you can change kind of where this is at, the coloring of it. You can customize this. Maybe you want to put this on the top right because maybe we have a chat widget here. Maybe we want to change the person here. We can always change that. So this is all very customizable. And all you have to do here is click on this button that says get code. Okay, super simple. All you do here is copy this code onto their website. Now, if you are actually the one who is building the website, then it's super easy. All you do is copy that code, paste that on the website, and the chat widget will show up, okay? But if you want to impress a local business owner, maybe they already have a website, maybe you build them a demo, a voice agent, and just say, hey, let me show you how this works. And you paste that code inside of their website, and now it's going to be working for them. They're going to be blown away. Now, I know what you're thinking. You're like, okay, well, what if they don't even want to give me access to their website, or what if they don't even have a website, right? No worries. The cool thing is this software will actually create it for you as well. So check this out. I'm going to copy this code right here. I'm going to back up just a little bit. I'm going to go to where it says website, and you can even build them a website in minutes. Okay. So I'm going to go here where it says new website, and I can create it from scratch, but I highly recommend that you just go from template and hit continue. Now, here's the cool thing. There's literally hundreds and hundreds of different templates here, right? So we were talking about plumbing. So right here, if we go to plumbing, there's a ton of different templates. You can create it right here and then add that code and then just give that to them. And I promise you, they're going to be blown away with this entire process. Now, I went ahead and chose a template already. So we're going to choose this plumbing template. And as you can see, if we click inside of here, the entire website is already done, right? So as you can see, all the pages are done. All we have to do is add this code, right? So what you have to do is go to settings here, and right here where it says tracking scripts, right here on the head tracking code is where you add that copy and paste from the widgets, okay? And that's all you have to do here. You can save that. And if you go to the home page, Now you'll be able to see that widget. Okay, so this is an awesome way to demo this entire process, right? So boom, there's the demo, and there we go. There's the voice agent, and we also even created on the bottom right there, we even have a text agent. But right now in this video, we're just talking more about the voice AI agent here at the top, and they can talk directly from the website, right? Absolutely insane. So let's recap what you just saw. We built a complete AI voice agent from scratch. It answers calls, captures leads, and books appointments 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It took minutes, not months. And every local business in your city needs this. The dentist losing patients to missed calls, the plumber who can't answer the phone from under a sink, the med spa letting leads go cold overnight. You build the system once and you sell it again and again at $299 a month. 10 clients is $3,000 a month, 30 clients is $9,000 a month, all running under your own brand with payments going straight to you. And like I said, I want to hook you up with everything you need. My full step-by-step course, all my templates and scripts, an extended 30-day free trial to this exact software, plus a free kickoff call to get you set up. All of it 100% free. Just comment the word white label below or click the link in the description. And if you got value from this video, hit subscribe because I show you how to build real income with AI every single week. I'll see you in the next one.